Welcome back to Taste Like Disney. I'm Joey. This is my producer and editor, Sophie, and she likes to make fun of me as she edits these videos, so if you see any text going across the screen, making fun of me, those come from Sophie, but she does an amazing job with the editing, so I just let her do it. Some of them are, kind of hurt my feelings from time to time, but that's okay. All right, so today is exciting because we're going to be making the Mango Gingerita from the Joy of Tea kiosk located right across from the China Pavilion in Walt Disney's Epcot Center. Now, I've never had this drink. I have been to the Joy of Tea. I think I got Tipsy Ducks in Love, which was fantastic, and I've also made that on the channel. I'll leave a link to that, if you'd like to watch it, because that was fantastic. But this is the Mango Gingerita from the Joy of Tea. So next time we go, which will be very soon, I'm gonna get this if they still have it. But today we're gonna be making it at home so we can try it here. It'll be just as fun. So kind of. All right, so I'm gonna stop talking. We're gonna get right to it. I'm gonna go to the kitchen. We're gonna make the Mango Gingerita from Walt Disney's Joy of Tea. All right, so this drink comes from the unofficial Disney Parks Epcot cookbook, and I will leave a link to that in the description of the video. Okay, so in a cocktail shaker filled with ice, we're gonna start with 8 ounces of mango juice. Now what I got here is more of a mango smoothie, so I hope it's not too thick, but this is all I could find, so it's a little thicker, but we're gonna go with it and see what happens. Because 8 ounces seems like a lot too. Okay, and if you can hear the growling in the background, that is Sophie. All right, and then to that, we're gonna add 1 ounce of vodka. And these are 1.5 ounces, the shot glasses, so I'm just gonna kind of guess. And if we go a little bit over, what the heck, right? Okay, and then same thing with the rum, 1 ounce or so of rum, although I think I've put too much ice in this because it seems like it's gonna overflow. Oh boy, it's getting close. It's getting close. All right, and then last we have 1 ounce of ginger syrup, and all I could find was this vanilla ginger, Route 23 actually, that's a local company. I'll put a link to that in the video, but I couldn't find just ginger syrup by itself, so I'm gonna have to use vanilla ginger. And I'll just fill this up about 3/4 of the way. And I think it's all gonna fit, barely, look at that. This is gonna make a mess when I shake it. All right, put the lid on. Everyone duck. Take cover. And shake that for as long as you can. Okay, and then we're gonna pour this into a glass, half filled with ice. At the parks, they serve it in a plastic cup, but I didn't have any plastic cups this size, so we're gonna use this glass, which is the closest facsimile thereof, or something like that. Okay. Pour this in there. Wow, this looks good. This looks fantastic. I think this glass is the perfect size. All right, so let's go ahead and try this. It looks delicious. I can't believe I've never had this before, so let's see what it tastes like. Oh wow, Sophie, wow, this is fantastic. I tell you what, mango is a underrated flavor. I love mango. This is really good. You can taste the vodka and the rum a little, but not, it's not overdoing it or anything. And again, I put in quite a bit. So that might be the best thing about this. This is fantastic. Love it. Love it, love it. I'm gonna give this an 8 out of 10. I think it's very, very good. And I'm not overselling, although I do that sometimes. I definitely oversell at times, but I'm not for this one. Very good. If you're a fan of mango, yes. Oh, and the ginger syrup I can taste too. Vanilla, I can't really taste the vanilla, so I don't think the ginger vanilla syrup had a lot of that in it. I think it was mostly ginger, which is a good thing. Because I can definitely taste the ginger, and the ginger and the mango blend fantastically together. If fantastically is a word, Sophie, yeah, I think it is. Very, very good. So if you're going by the Joy of Tea, like I said, it's right across from the China Pavilion in Epcot. You can't miss it. You cannot miss it. Stop there, get this, or get something else. They have all kinds of great drinks. Fantastic. This is really, really good. Thank you, Epcot. Okay, so that's our show for today. If you enjoyed it, please subscribe. If you didn't enjoy it, you should also subscribe because you make fun of me like Sophie does every day. She's doing it as we speak. Sophie, what the heck? You can also hit the like button. That really helps me out, but more importantly, it helps Sophie out. You can hit the notification bell to know when I have new videos. It's usually 1 per week, but sometimes 2. And also leave a comment if you'd like to see me make anything or go anywhere. I can attempt that. The key word there is attempt. And if you ever try something that you love and you're not sure why, chances are it tastes like Disney. Thanks for watching.